Let's learn how to convert whole numbers in base 10 to base 12. Here is an example. Convert 34 base 10 to base 12. To do this, we divide repeatedly by 12 until further division is no longer possible, then take the remainders upwards. Solution. Draw a table. We place our 34 at this side, then the base we are converting to 12 at the other side. 12 goes in 34, you have 2, which is 24, remainder 10. But if you should recall, the digits used in base 12, we have 0 to 9, okay? And we said we introduced a T that represents the digits 10, then E representing digits 11, giving us the 12 digits used to represent numbers in the base 12 counting system. So here that we're having a remainder of 10, we write T to signify our digit 10. We divide again by 12. 12 goes in 2, we have 0, remainder 2. Here, further division is no longer possible, so we take our remainders upwards. Therefore, the 34 base 10 equals 2T base 12. And that's how to convert whole numbers in base 10 to base 12. Thank you.